Retirement Process, Analyze Tollgate by Lori Elliott. The problem I am focusing on is that the City of Albuquerque employees do not know there is a formal retirement process. To understand this problem, I created a fishbone diagram that shows 4 areas where the problem may occur. The first issue is communication. Why is there no communication? Employees who are contemplating retirement express confusion and frustration because they do not know who to contact or where to go. Who is not communicating? The responsibility to provide information to the employees falls within the Insurance and Benefits Division. Ideally, communication between the Insurance and Benefits Division and the HR coordinators of each division should communicate to get information to all City of Albuquerque employees. And where does the communication begin? The root responsibility falls at the feet of the Insurance and Benefits team, since the retirement process is completed by their staff. Communication can come in different forms. However, it does not appear that the Insurance and Benefits Division has provided any contact or material for there to be sufficient communication about the retirement process. There are specific people involved in the retirement process. Each person is responsible to the employee and the retirement process itself. The Insurance and Benefits Division are responsible for outlining the roles of their staff members. The division is also responsible for following the Administrative Instructions 7-27 that provide information on the retirement process. Their staff should be able to provide written information that outlines each step in the process and make that information available to all employees. The HR coordinators are also involved in the retirement process, and each department should be able to direct the employees when they are interested in retirement. However, the HR coordinators do not have any information from the Insurance and Benefits Division. Employees should have a way to find the information they need relating to the retirement process. There should be direction provided by the HR coordinators on who to contact and where to find material. Most employees are not proactive in finding the correct information and have a personal vision on how the process works. In order for employees to be proactive in their own retirement, and in order for employees to have correct information, tools would be very helpful. Tools that address certain scenarios or have answers to the most common questions should be readily available to all employees, and the same tools can be used for employees to plan for their future. All information should be updated regularly and provided in a place that is easily accessible. Currently, it does not appear that the Insurance and Benefits Division has ever attempted to provide such tools for employees to use or provide the necessary information that they need. Therefore, no updated information can be found. The question is, how can we communicate the retirement process better to everyone who needs to be involved? The Insurance and Benefits Division must provide the formal process. Then that process must be available to everyone. That may mean that a training for the HR coordinators is necessary, or it could mean that the HR coordinators need to be sent the information prior to releasing it to everyone. The Insurance and Benefits Division also needs to utilize its resources and place the information on the websites. The website should include phone numbers and email addresses on where employees can contact the division, and the tools created, such as the FAQ, should be included on the website and updated regularly. The Insurance and Benefits staff should also be prepared to provide the same information to each employee who reaches out, whether via email, phone calls, or walk-ins. Here is an illustration of the 5 whys that get to the root of the problem. The Insurance and Benefits Division has never created the formal process with interactive tools for employees and HR coordinators to use. In fact, upon research, nothing has been provided that addresses any type of process. The purpose of this project is to provide direction to the correct retirement process, with the intent to avoid confusion or a bad experience for all employees who are contemplating retirement. Correcting the lack of communication between the Insurance and Benefits Division and the employees and/or HR coordinators is the main goal. With better communication, the problem would be eliminated. A better rapport between all employees would lead to discussions on how to improve the process and give insight as to what our employees need. Without a formal process, employees feel confused and lost. They feel like they have no control of their future and no way of knowing what is best for them or their family. Therefore, their retirement does not feel like a reward for all of the years of service that they have given the city of Albuquerque. Asking why to the problem of the retirement process has revealed who is responsible for the issue and who is responsible for rectifying that situation. That responsibility lies with the Insurance and Benefits Division. That division is responsible for creating a formal process and creating all the tools and resources necessary for all employees. They are also responsible for making sure all information is updated. The HR coordinators are then responsible for taking that information and making sure their employees are aware of it. The employees are responsible for using the tools to find answers to their questions.